Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reconcile on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, I'm not that familiar with accounting, and this does use the accounting module, so I'll try to explain it as best as I can, but as I mentioned, you need to have this module installed. You can install it while setting up your account or your database, or you can set it up through the apps menu later on. It's completely up to you. But first, what we're going to do, we're going to go into accounting. We're going to click right here and we're going to click on Reconcile. Now, as you can see, you can auto reconcile, depends on what you want, but of course you first need some journal entries which you will then reconcile. But you can also enable auto reconcile, for example, a perfect match or a clear account. Accounts, you can choose whatever you want. So for example, liquidity transfer. Partners, I'll just take myself from, I don't know, 18 or from whichever date you would like. Click reconcile, and as you can see, this is an invalid operation since there is nothing to reconcile. But if you wanted to, whenever you get any entries over here in the reconcile menu, you can select any to either automatically reconcile, or you can reconcile it yourself manually by selecting each one manually. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.